Hare Krishna. So welcome again to Message of Godhead. So today we are going to discuss a very important key teaching of entire Vedic philosophy or this spiritual truth. Suppose we are just going ahead, we are walking on the street, and suddenly some TV reporter comes and asks us that, okay, who are you? What are you in dhuti kurta and all these things? And tilak, who are you? Oh, I am trying to practice spiritual life. So can you explain to us in brief what is your philosophy? What do you think? What is your belief? So what will you say at that time? It's just 1 minute. Suppose 1 minute or 2 minutes you have time. What can you say within that 1 or 2 minute time? So the essence of entire teachings of Vedas, of Bhagavatam, of Bhagavad, or any other thing, they are consolidated into 3 points. What are those 3 points? Sambandha, Abhidaya and Prayojan. In Chaitanya Charitamrita, in Sanatana Shri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu says, Vedo Shastre kohe Sambandha, Abhidaya, Prayojan, Krishna Krishna Bhakti Prem Teen Mahadhan. Sambandha, Abhidaya, Prayojan. So today we are going to listen about them, their Prayojan. The first of all, Sambandha. So Sambandha. So Sambandha means, technically speaking, relationship. Relationship with whom? So then comes 3 things. Or relationships also, it can technically mean identity. Relationship, identity, or characteristics, features, nature, this kind of things also. So let's talk about relationship. With whom? So 3 points here will come. Ishvara, the Supreme God, Jiva and Prakriti. Prakriti means material nature, Jiva means the living soul, as we know, and the Ishvara means Supreme Personality of Godhead. So here Sambandha means the relationship between Ishvara and Jiva. What is the Sambandha between the relationship between them? The relationship between the Ishvara and Prakriti. The relationship between Prakriti, the Jiva and Prakriti, and vice versa. What are the relationship between them? The 3 points. Jiva, Ishvara, Prakriti. That is called Sambandha. Or the identity. The identity of the Supreme Personality of Godhead, Ishvara. The identity of the Jiva, living entity. The identity of the Prakriti, material nature. Or the characteristics, Swabhava, feature, nature. The nature or the feature of the Supreme Personality of Godhead. His qualities, his name, form, glories. Or the qualities or the features or activities, characteristics of the living soul, the Jiva. Or the nature, feature or qualities, activities of this material nature, Prakriti. So these 3 are called in together, in total, Sambandha Tattva. So whenever you see something, whatever it is said about the Ishvara or the Jiva or the Prakriti, this is called Sambandha. For example, Jiver Swarupa hoy Krishna Nitya Das. The eternal constitutional position of the living being is they are the servant of the Supreme Personality of Godhead, and they should serve him. Tadastha Shakti Bheda Ved Prakash. So that is what we can hear from this, what we can learn from this verse. We can learn the eternal identity and occupation of the living soul. So it is Sambandha. And then Krishna says in Bhagavad Gita, Mayadbhakshena Prakriti Suyate sa characharam hetuna anna kunteya jagat viparivartate. Everything is done under my control, jurisdiction. The Lord is talking about himself. So that is Sambandha. Also he says in Bhagavad Gita chapter 9, Aham Kraturaham Yagga Swadaham Aham Aushadham. I am this, I am that, I am that Yagga, I am this oblation, I am the ghee. Aham Sarvastha Praha Matta Sarvam Pravartate. Matta Parataran Nanyat Kinchita Sadhananja. These are Sambandha. The Lord talks about himself. So we can understand the material world from him and the nature of that. So Mayadhyakshana Prakriti Suyacha Sacharacharam. Under my jurisdiction, Prakriti is going on. And Prakriti creates. Prakriti Swamavastabhya Bisrijami Puna Puna. I create. Prakriti just helps. So these are called Sambandha. Now when we talk about next point is Abhideya. Abhideya means the process. Now I understood my relationship, my identity. Who am I? I am spirit soul. Jivada Swarupa Hoy Krishna Nitya Das. Who am I? I am spirit soul, and I am the part and parcel of Krishna. I understood all these things. I am Krishna's servant. So now what should I do? What am I supposed to do? This is called Abhideya, process. What should I do? Activity. What to do? What to do? Abhideya. Sambandha was who am I, or what is this, or who is God, or what is the Prakriti. These are called Sambandha, or what are the characteristics, features of this material world. Sambandha. And Abhideya means what should I do, what to do, what is the instruction for me. Abhideya, the process. For people, they may think of karma, jnana, yoga, bhakti as our Abhideya. Devotion and service, that is also Shuddha Bhakti, ultimate Abhideya, Shuddha Bhakti. Sadhanam Shuddha Bhakti, that is our process, that is our Abhideya. So then comes the point is, okay, I understood who am I understood my relationship, I understood who am I, my identity I got, my relationship with God I got, and what to do, the process, or what is the activity that I should follow, that also I understood. Now obviously next question comes is that prayojana. Next question comes that what am I going to get? What am I going to get by following this process? What to do, you told me. So if I do that, what am I going to get? What is the goal, or what should I aspire for? In other words, what should I aim for? What should I aim for by following this process, and what should I think of that achieving? So that is the goal, ultimate goal, what to get, what to achieve. So that is called prayojana. What is my need? Technical speaking, prayojana means what? The need. What ki prayojan? In Bengali also we said something also prayojan. What is the need? What is the need for which I am supposed to do this, follow this process? That is called prayojana. So what is the prayojana? Similarly, like karma, jnana, yoga, these people have their own respective prayojana. Karma, the karma kandis or sakam karmi, they want to get fruitive activity or fruitive result, sense gratification in heavenly planet. The jnana, they want to merge in the Brahman. The yogis, they want to get siddhis. They have their own prayojanas. But as we are bhakti yogi, shuddha sadhanam shuddha bhakti, what is our prayojana? Our prayojana is Krishna, Shuddha Krishna Priti, Sadhyam Tat Pritim, Krishna Priti. First of all, of course, the Shuddha Bhakti to Krishna only, not to anything else of this material world. Krishna Priti, or love. This is our prayojana, this is our goal, Krishna Priti. So in a word, then in Bhagavad Gita we can see verses like Krishna talks about Manmanaho Madbhakta Madhyajivam Namaskuru, think of me, offer obeisances to me, unto me, and then Paktam Pushpam Phalam Toyam, how to worship him. So these are Abhideya process, what process we are going to follow. Then Prayojana also in Bhagavad Gita, Krishna talks in various places, what is the ultimate goal, what will you achieve ultimately. Yadgat Vana Nivartanta, you will achieve me. Ultimately you will achieve me. Like in various places of Bhagavad Gita, Krishna talks like this. So that is Prayojana. So like this is the essence, sum and substance of Krishna consciousness, essence. Sambandha, Abhideya and Prayojana. the main philosophy. The identity, eternal identity, the process, and the ultimate goal. So, thus we can nicely arrange our understanding of Krishna consciousness and present it. Our Acharyas has presented it, and Chaitanya Mahaprabhu said that, yeah, these are the three things what in Veda, Shastra, in Bhagavad, everywhere it is said. So, I hope it's clear. If any question, you can write on the comment box, or our email ID is there. You can send email to us. You can write to us. Thank you very much. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ramo, Rama Rama, Hare.